Welcome everybody. Welcome dear followers of Skill Up Academy. My name is Salih Fati. I am your instructor of this platform. Also, this is the first module. Now in the second lesson 2. Lesson 2. We are going to discuss about common noun and proper nouns. The two are the basic interesting patterns of a grammar. One cannot speak grammar communicatively without knowing the two features, common and proper nouns. Now I'm going to give you what are the definition of common noun and proper nouns. First of all, definition: common noun. Common nouns are names any persons, place, things or ideas. They are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. These are common nouns. Common noun also can join together. Two nouns can be joined together, and also they can form what is known as common noun. As a matter of fact, proper noun are the name of specific people, places, things or ideas. Proper noun should always be capitalized. They should always be capitalized. It means that one cannot deny this and separate between proper noun and common nouns. These are two different nouns. And common noun are, example, for instance, boys, boy, river, car, doctor, town, candy bar, or teddy bear. This is what we call common noun. These are the common noun. Common noun are also noun which differ. You can also, there are some link to abstract noun. Common noun, you can say common noun are also there is a slight difference between the common noun and abstract noun. Indeed we have some difference between the two. This is proper noun, common noun. And also proper noun are refer to James, Mississippi River. If you say Mississippi River, Ford, water tower, Dr. Jefferson, rocket beds, baby Ruth, or blacksmith. This is a proper noun. These are the proper nouns. Proper nouns are different from, you have to keep in your mind that proper nouns are different from common nouns, as I told you at the beginning. Yes, also bro, this is the lesson 2. I invite all of you. This is an open mind platform named Skill Up. This is a platform where you can learn English easily without any doubt, any fear. That's why I advise all my followers to come to attend this course. Thank you very much.